HubSpot reports that CSMs spend almost 40% of their week repeating the exact same onboarding steps, not because customers need that much help, but because the onboarding model they are using is outdated and breaks the moment volume increases. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut your onboarding time in half going into 2026, what the new onboarding model looks like, and how 2 companies used Supademo to pull it off. Let's dive in. If you feel that onboarding is slowing down your team, it is not because your team lacks skill or effort. It is because the whole system still depends on people delivering the same information again and again. For example, you have live onboarding calls that eat entire afternoons and force your team to repeat the same walkthroughs over and over again. You have long text-heavy user guides that everyone knows customers quickly skim through or ignore. You have product tours that pop up inside the app only to be clicked through mindlessly or closed instantly, so almost no one actually learns how to use the product. And every time your product UI changes, your entire onboarding library becomes outdated overnight, which means your team is stuck re-recording videos, retaking screenshots, and updating content by hand. This is why onboarding feels slow, frustrating, and impossible to keep up with. It is not a lack of effort. It is a system built on processes that were never designed for the volume, speed, or expectations you are dealing with today. The teams that are winning right now are not buried in endless training calls. They have found ways to dramatically reduce them. Instead of producing more documentation that no one has time to read, they are shifting toward interactive, self-guided experiences that actually teach customers how to use the product. These teams are moving away from slow, manual onboarding and adopting tools that let customers explore the product on their own, understand key workflows instantly, and reach value without needing constant hand-holding. The big shift is simple. You're now moving from long walkthroughs and unengaging tutorial videos to providing your customers with an interactive click-through experience where they can set up their dashboard, perform integrations, import data, or walk through any key workflow exactly as it would happen inside the real product. When you make this shift, onboarding becomes modular, repeatable, easy to update, and far more consistent. Your team moves from being the operator inside the process to being the orchestrator who simply guides customers to what they need. And the customer reaches the aha moment faster because they are actually completing meaningful tasks inside the demo. By the time they finish, they already understand how the product fits into their day-to-day work. Now that we have looked at the new onboarding model teams are adopting, the next step is putting it into practice in a way that is fast, simple, and scalable. And this is precisely what Supademo enables. Supademo lets you create interactive click-through product experiences that feel like the real thing, but do not require logins, setup, or even access to your actual environment. You can record once and immediately turn that recording into a step-by-step interactive walkthrough. You can embed it inside onboarding emails, support articles, knowledge bases, or even directly inside your app. Customers move through the onboarding process at their own pace, while your support agents focus on answering deeper questions than generic repeated ones. Supademo also makes it incredibly easy to deliver a personalized onboarding experience without rebuilding anything from scratch. You can record one walkthrough and then layer in recorded or AI voiceovers so customers can listen rather than just read. You can update individual steps or screenshots in seconds whenever your UI changes instead of redoing the entire flow. You can create branching paths that automatically show admins, end users, or partners only the pieces that matter to them. And you can translate that same demo into multiple languages with a single click, so global customers get a localized onboarding experience without extra work. The end result is a clean, intuitive experience that customers can follow on their own, while your team avoids repeating the same explanations in every onboarding call. Now, let's look at 2 real examples so you can see how this plays out in practice. First up, ReelDx. ReelDx is a clinical education platform often described as the YouTube for doctors. They serve clinicians, faculty, and students who rely on real patient video cases to learn quickly and effectively. Before Supademo, ReelDx faced several onboarding challenges. User adoption was low because busy practitioners struggled to understand the product's value fast enough. Their video-based onboarding process was time-consuming to create and even harder to maintain as the product evolved. And one-on-one screen share sessions were difficult to schedule and not scalable, which made onboarding slow and inconsistent. Supademo gave them a lightweight, scalable way to demonstrate the platform's value. Their team used interactive demos, AI voiceovers, conditional branching, variables, and multi-demo showcase collections to create role-specific walkthroughs for clinicians, faculty, and students. They also took advantage of Supademo's ease of use and fast editing experience, allowing non-technical staff to build and update demos without engineering support. As a result, ReelDx now trains hundreds of users using Supademos and saves more than 12 hours each month on onboarding and support tasks. Their CEO calls Supademo the easiest solution they evaluated and one of the best uses of AI they have seen in software. Next up, NuORDER by Lightspeed. NuORDER is a global B2B commerce platform that helps brands and retailers streamline wholesale buying, merchandising, and assortment planning. Their customers rely on NuORDER to manage complex workflows and high-volume product data. Before Supademo, NuORDER's onboarding and training process ran into major friction points. There was no unified post-sale experience, so customers lacked clarity on what they purchased and how to get started. Content creation was slow because subject matter experts did not have clear tools or workflows, creating bottlenecks. Teams used a mix of tools like Camtasia, Articulate, and Zoom recordings, which made onboarding inconsistent and difficult to maintain. Supademo allowed NuORDER to replace static help center content with interactive product walkthroughs built using screenshot and HTML capture. Teams across onboarding, enterprise retail, retail brand, and support began producing their own step-by-step tutorials without relying on designers or engineers. They used Supademo's multi-language translations to support global regions and multi-demo showcases to deliver structured, guided training experiences. The result was faster demo creation, simplified onboarding, and significantly improved learner engagement. Their customer education program manager said Supademo gave their team a superpower because content became faster to build, easier to update, and better for customers. These case studies are just a few of the many we have listed on our website. If you want to explore more examples of how other SaaS teams are streamlining onboarding and scaling enablement with Supademo, you can browse additional case studies at supademo.com/customers. Now, if you want to cut your onboarding time in half, here is the simple framework that teams are using. Step 1. Start by mapping every step in your onboarding process and identifying the parts your team repeats most often. Step 2. Once you know where the repetition is happening, begin converting those repetitive workflows into interactive demos inside Supademo using recordings, screenshots, or HTML capture. Step 3. Embed those demos everywhere your customers learn, whether that is inside your app, in your emails, or in your knowledge base. Step 4. Then use analytics to identify where customers drop off so you can refine those moments. Personalize the experience with variables so it feels tailor-made. Step 5. And then when your product changes, update your demos in seconds rather than re-recording entire videos. This is how you build a modern onboarding system that delivers consistent value without overwhelming your team. Onboarding becomes difficult when it relies on manual work, repeated explanations, and outdated material. The teams that will win in 2026 are those that redesign the process so customers can learn faster, get hands-on instantly, and move through onboarding without needing a human to guide every step. If you want to cut your onboarding time in half and give your customers a clear, interactive, self-serve path to success, you can get started with Supademo using the first link in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and watch the video on your screen to dive deeper into building scalable onboarding workflows. See you in the next one.